Hello everyone, welcome to TechSpot. My name is Anuj Kumar, a Jira administrative trainer. In today's session, that is session 8, we will cover the following topics. First topic is customization, means adding the custom field, modifying the UI layer, Y field, and configuration, issue layout, customer looks, field, and customization. In previous lecture, we have covered how to create a custom field, how to create a integrate that custom field into your respective create tab. Okay. Then we have seen the layout customization. Now today we will see the looks and feel of customization in logo and color. Now coming to filter and dashboard. So we have in previous classes in Jira Basic we have seen how to go and create any filter, create a new dashboard. Okay. Now share. So today's we will also see from a administrative point of view, from administrative things, how we will do the things like share the filters and subscription, system dashboard, custom dashboard for the team, and gadget management. Now, as a Jira admin, you have to have a backup of your current project, previous project. Okay. If something happens, so you have a backup and you can import or export that thing. Okay. So now in backup, we will see how to import and export the thing, project are keep and cleaned up inside my migration cloud and server. Now server are basically closed nowadays. Now only cloud services are used. You will see. So what is looks and feel in customization in Jira? So in Jira, look and feel customization refer to the ability to personalize a visual appearance of your Jira instance to match your organization branding. Means basically what in customization what we can do is basically uh, like this is a Jira logo. You can change the logo. You want to change the name, change the name. And you want to change the like you have apps like conference you have integrated, Jaffer skill you can integrate. You can change this logo or this thing. So we will see how to change the things. Now, so like customize we can customize like logo, replace the default Atlassian logo with your company logo. You can change the color, system font you can change. Okay. And favicon icon you can change in this look and feel. Now in shared filter and subscription, what we will do, you can share the your whatever filter you have created, you can share your filter, you can see there. In a subscription, allow a user to receive the scheduled emails, reports. We will also see in how email configuration where we will see uh, a particular user how miss he can send the email or he cannot you basically you will give the permission he can send email not send email what are the count of email he will receive count of email he will able permission to send the email these things we will see here in emails. Now system dashboard in system dashboard basically you will create in if there is any dashboard you will add your different types of gadget. Okay. So basically default dashboard provided by Jira for all users, including a general gadget like active stream assigned to me and project and summary. Admin can configure what appear here, but this typically is landing page. Basically in Jira Basic we have seen this how to create a custom dashboard. Now gadget and management. So we have also done how to add the gadget in Jira Basic. We will see again here how to add the gadget in a system dashboard. So gadgets are visual component that display the data from a filter or a Jira state. Example, filter result gadget show the list of the issue from a safe filter. Two-dimension filter statistics. Cross-table view of the issue status by assigning. Jira administrator can manage the available gadget. Okay. So now we will coming to our respective Jira software. So this is basic your Jira. Now go to this administration setting. Go to the system setting. In system setting, we have seen audit log, project roles, global permission. We have seen. Okay. Now let me once again go to global permission. Go to global permission. Okay. We can view which are the user or delete the user from. These are basically Jira permission, administrative Jira, browser user and group. We can click here, view the user. So who is basically here now? So you can see these are different kinds of group, backup group, but different default groups are there. Front end group we have created. Okay, so here, so you want to see more detail or create a group, create a group. We have seen how to create the group. You want to see more detail, see more detail. Okay, and then we come into user management. Okay, in user management in Jira administrative first or second classes, we have seen how to do the user management. So all detail, add the product, go here, add the project and grant permission. Okay, the same thing. The same thing we will do here. Now, this is the now coming to the our uh, back. Coming back now, we have system administration, model law, problem, global security, work item. We have seen default user permission, default dashboard, look and feel. Default user permission, default dashboard. We have seen. We will see look and feel here. To click on the look and feel. So what will happen, like this is the current Jira logo, okay? This Jira logo. Now you want to change the logo, click here, choose the file. Whatever file you have downloaded or the company, any logo, select the file and open. Okay, open. And then you can upload or directly what you can do, keep the URL of the respective image and upload the, it will change. I will not going to change. This is not recommended because this is a Jira Cloud version, and you can change to the title also. This is the favicon. Now you want to change this file favicon icon, same thing. Go to choose file, select the file, open, and it will be changed. Now navigator icon. You want to change the color, click and change the color. This is in this way you are changing the color and update it. Date and time. Let the date and time be default. If you if your company give any certain permission that you want to change to respective, then you can go and change. Otherwise, leave it. Now, now how to do a backup of any project inside your Jira software. So how we will do a backup? Basically, very simple. How we can what basically do very simple. You can see here, like create a backup for the cloud. Create a backup. Click here. One backup I have already created and upload. Refresh. Okay. Delete project, delete project, let it be deleted. One backup I have already created. Refresh, let it be deleted. Download cloud backup. Click here. The cloud backup has been downloaded. Okay. Create a backup for a cloud. Create a backup for either. The backup frequency is limited. You cannot make another backup right now. So I have basically used one, two backup. Now I cannot create. Backup for the server is discontinued. You can see now as we have downloaded this. This is your backup. Okay, then download this. You can see one file I have already downloaded. So there is a limitation in standard version of Jira entity. This is basically a different format. Now, close this thing. Now what I will do? Now we have a backup. The backup is stored in your system software. Now what you can do? External system import. Click here, external import system import. Now here what you can see, click, you can see the CSV file, click on the CSV file, upload file. Just we have this, click here, open and next. Then it will upload the external file and the same. Then you will upload the external file, then set up the project, map the field, map the value, map the user. Okay, the same thing you will do here also. The same which we are doing import export in previous version, the same we will do here also. Exit. This is the same import export basically. Importing the Jira Cloud, same. You will select the file and import, and then you have to do a mapping of respective data. Now select any and open. This import export we have already seen in previous sessions. Import in Jira server. Jira server is now this is the mail. Then you will give the permission who can send the mail, how many mail they can send, how many incoming mail can he can receive, outgoing mail. Okay. You click on the global mail setting. Enable disable will be there. You can see an email puller retrieve the email from an email account, Gmail or Yahoo Mail, and store them into a database. Email received before the account and connected to the system. You can enable or disable from here and delete the from database. How many days you want to delete the, because there will be too much of mail in basically company. So you can click here and after 14 days the older mail will be deleted. So in this way you are managing the emails. Also you come here into the mails, outgoing mails. From here you can disable outgoing mails. Okay. Similarly you can see where is incoming mails. Add incoming mail server, which the company will provide to you. Add incoming mail server, disable the DMARC. So this from here you can do number of the threshold, you can select here 12 and save. And this way, this is a general setting of the mail. Now send email, outgoing mail setting. Leave this. Now outgoing mail emails. Okay. Permission helper admin and email default leave it. Now we filter and dashboard. We will going to click on the filter. Filter and dashboard are same as in Jira Basic we have seen. These are the different filter we have created in previous classes. Okay. The same thing you can see from here also. Okay. And from here also you can delete the filter or change the owner of the filter. Similarly, there is a dashboard. From here you can also go to filter. From here you can go to a dashboard. The same thing you can access from this here also. Same, we have the different types of dashboard. You want to change the overview, change the manner. Okay, you can switch and change the owner. If okay, you click here and you can change the owner. You can write any name like there is this is unusual. You can change the owner. In this way, basically, we are changing the owner. Now, dashboard filter, permission helper, advanced attachment. Basically, in attachment, you will what you will do. You will give the what is the size of it. It means you can edit and edit the size from here. Basically, this is the basic attachment event. Event, what is event? Basically, the whatever you will do in project, that message we can see in the history, that are generally event. In current project, these are the different types of event which we have done, like standard work item I have created, software simply done, build the workflow, these things. So these are the basically event, okay, which comes under this. You can also create your custom event and add it here. Same thing. Now, now the same thing. From here we can go to filter. Here we can go to filter, view all dashboard. These are different types of dashboard. Click on here refresh. It do not have anything. View all filter. This filter have something or not. This filter have something. This filter have pie chart. Refresh this. What you can do? Edit filter. You can search. It have basically pie chart. Issue. Go to assign. Assign to me. You can add. In this type, we are adding the basic gadget assigned to me. There are issue type, key, summary, this priority, column. So these are the stories and tasks which is assigned to me. So in this way, you can search the different types of gadget. Means like you are burn down, the road burn down, like burn down chart. You can click here and add. Whatever gadget you want to add, you come here and add the respective gadget. Okay, and done. So in this way, you are going to add the gadget into your dashboard. And similar way, we can create the dashboard. We have seen the filter. Okay, now we have covered system. We have covered work item. We have covered the project also. On now, this all for today's session. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. See you in the next session.